Welcome to the breaking news on National Broadcasting News India. Rail Neer now cheaper. Railways cuts prices to pass on GST benefits. The Ministry of Railways on Saturday announced a reduction in the maximum selling price of its packaged drinking water, Rail Neer, to pass on the benefits of the reduced GST directly to consumers. According to a Railway Board circular, the price of a 1 litre bottle has been reduced from 15 rupees to 14 rupees, while a 500 milliliter bottle will now cost rupees 9, down from rupees 10. Keep watching. This is National Broadcasting News India. Thank you.